Good morning, guys. Today is a very, very exciting day, and it starts with a very early Christmas present. The surprise that we've been banging on about for ages. If you haven't guessed already, it is a puppy, a little 8-week golden retriever puppy. So we're going down to Huddersfield today to go and collect him. Bailey's staying here for the day. Got the puppy pen all set up. It's covered in pads because obviously he can't go out until he's had his second injection. So here's his crate. I'm going to put this in the car and take it down. It's all ready. Got a little golden retriever teddy in there that we found in IKEA. Gonna rub it on his mum so he's got a scented teddy to bring home too. And it's 8 o'clock, so it's time to go. We're here. The weather's horrific, but they've grown so much. Hello. Which one's ours? This one here.
I can tell straight away now, yeah.
That's not ours, is
that's
it?
a girl. That's him behind you, look.
Yeah, there you are. This is ours. I can tell by his eyes, actually.
Look how dark he turned out. Really soft.
Oh, hello. So this is Ocean.
Ocean.
Is he an ocean or an oak?
Oh,
We
yeah.
still to decide on the name.
So calm. He's so calm.
He stayed really calm, hasn't he? Hello, Ocean. I think it's got to be Ocean, hasn't it? Look at his deep eyes.
Ocean. Good morning. Oh my god, you're massive.
Just to give you some perspective, he was the smallest boy by quite a little bit, and he was like really dark gold compared to the rest of them, and now he's ended up being the biggest white boy.
Yeah.
He's perfect though, isn't he?
The other dog went really gold and look, he's actually quite light.
Yeah. Oh, you're perfect, aren't you?
You need to bath. Desperately.
Oh, he's so perfect. Right, we came down this track in our little Nissan Micra, and it's been chucking it down the rain ever since, so I hope we can get out. All you want to do is chew on my hand, isn't it? Oh, little cutie. Oh, first belly rub. At 8 weeks.
A bit young for that.
What are you doing?
Ocean's a bit sick of being in the car now, aren't you?
So it's now 6 o'clock. That was a long drive home. It's been raining non-stop basically, but we went out for a couple of peas, tried not to let him out too much and try and take him where there's no people because he's not had his second vaccination yet, but we made it home. He's been so good. He's just been asleep pretty much the whole way. A couple of little crazy moments, and he's a little bit unhappy until he went for a poo, but it's been really good. I think he's hungry though and thirsty, so we're going to go and introduce him to Bailey next, who's our little Chihuahua, our other dog. Oh. Time to introduce Bailey to Ocean.
Look at that little puppy face.
Okay, let's start straight on menu. Not quite sure what.
Look at those ears. Boing, 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 boing.